This one turned out really nice. Welcome everyone to BCC Art Studio. I'm Billy, and today I want to try another technique that I watched Daniel Cooper do on one of his videos. So to get started, you're going to need some tape, and you'll need a stencil. Now I don't have any really good stencils to use on this technique, but it will work. So let's get started. So first off, I'm going to take a couple pieces of tape. This is part of Friday with Friends. Before me, you would have seen acrylic art by Mary Kirk, Bill Robertson from Robertson Art, and Let's Pour with Patty. Tape down one end so you can get a hold of it. Try to get it as straight as possible, but yeah, doesn't have to be perfect, I guess, but all right. Take your stencil. Let's see. I'm going to use this one. And you'll need some colors like mica powder or flakes, anything like that. I am going to be using chameleon mica powder. I'm going to be using the purplish red, blue, green. And you just want to sprinkle some on here. Grab a brush to brush it in. Brushing away the excess. All right. So now I'm just going to pull my mold or my stencil away. And you have this pattern. Now for the next part. So for the next part, I know Daniel Cooper uses his own cabochons. He makes them in his little trays, which I do have the tray, which is a little dirty right now, but I'm going to use glass cabochons. And to do that, we will need a little dab of resin. I use either Jay's Addiction, or I use Let's Resin. I like both of them. Let's Resin is a little bit thicker than Jay's Addiction, but I'm going to use one at a time. Just deciding where I want it. And usually get a little spillage, but I just go around it and wipe it away. Okay, now you need to cure it under the light for about a minute. Now we should be able to just pull this away. And just take your scissors, trim off the excess. There is the piece that I'm looking at. Now we can just take that and just turn it over. And I think I'll put a black backing on it. So I'll take my little mixing cup, just put a little bit of resin in there. Some black mica powder. And just give it a black backing. And cure that for 1 minute. Okay, that is all cured. We will put it off to the side and show you later. Now I need to remove my gloves because I want to do one more for you, but I'm going to do it differently. I'm going to get a new piece of tape. Fold the end and place it down. All right, now I'm going to use a different stencil, and I want to use this part of the stencil. So I'm just going to place that on there like so. And I'm going to use some chameleon flakes. So I'm going to use this one. A bit of gold, green, pink in there. And I'm just going to dab it in there and brush it on. All right. Put that away. Time to pull away the mold, or the stencil. See, I did it again. Okay, and then you want your resin. And Place your cabochon on there. And cure it for 1 minute. Oh, just making sure there's no leakage. One minute. All right, we are back. Time to peel away the cabochon. And trim off the excess. All right, now we need to put a backing on that one. Need my gloves again, just in case. I'm going to put a black backing on that one as well. Now, I did make some earlier with white background, so I will show you the results at the end. Under the light for 1 minute. All right, so we're back, and so I'm going to show you the ones I just showed you, or just did, and then I will show you the ones I did earlier. So this is the first one we did together. Now it's not perfect. I mean, it is a little messy. And here's the second one. This one turned out a lot better. It has some weird thing in the middle there. I'm not sure what that is, if that's from the resin or... All right, and then these two I did earlier. So I'm going to show you one first. Which one is this? I'm going to show you this one first. These were with a white background. This one turned out really nice. And there you have it. The white background and the black background. Now, before we go, I want to show you this one, which I'm going to do a video of how I did this next week, or in the next video, whenever that is. So thank you for watching, and happy pouring.